Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a workflow in Slack. In order to do so, first off, here we are at slack.com, and the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you have a workspace. So once you have set up a workspace, or if you have a workspace set up for you, then you should be here on the dashboard. And from here, what you're looking for is going to be found on the left-hand side in the menu here that says More. If you hover over that with your mouse, you're going to see this option that says Automations. We can go ahead and click on Automations, and that's going to bring you to this page where you can see here where it says Workflows. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can see here that we have the option to create a workflow. We can go ahead and click on that now. And that's going to bring us to this page here. It's just got to think about it, loading up here. And then you can see that we now have the option to start a workflow. First, we're going to have to choose an event, and we can add steps as well. But first, we got to choose an event. You can see here the various options that are available to you. So you can go ahead and select whatever is appropriate. And then from there, you can add the steps. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.